An easy way to add greenery to an outdoor space is with a railing planter. They can house colorful flowers, herbs, or vegetable plants. Quick and easy to mount, they attach either by a cutout in the planter, an adjustable arm, brackets, or hooks. Though there are deck railing planters, porch railing planters, balcony railing planters, patio railing planters, and adjustable railing planters to fit even some of the smallest or largest outdoor spaces, not all planters work for all railing widths and home styles. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best railing planters. Let's get started. Number 5. Veradek Pure Railing Planter. If you are searching for railing planters, the Veradek Pure Railing Planter review on our list is ideal for you. Veradek offers a railing planter with a simple design in 3 color choices: light gray, black, and espresso. The lightweight planters come in a pack of 2, each is 70% recycled plastic, UV resistant, and frost resistant. They also are rated for use in temperatures from -30 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. These planters have pre-drilled drainage holes and adjustable brackets that accommodate railings from 1 inch to 5.5 inches wide. The brackets also allow for adjustable angles. Each planter is 36 inches long and can be recycled. Number 4. Moretime Iron Hanging Flower Basket. The Moretime Hanging Flower Rack Basket will bring elegance and beauty to your outdoor decor. The basket shelf is extremely lightweight and simple to use. The permeable and hydrophobic characteristics of the included quart basket can assist plants in growing lush and healthy. This planter is perfect for use on a balcony, veranda, terrace, railing, or patio. This planter is composed of iron with an anti-rust coating for durability. It features an attractive wrought iron design, so the planter itself adds beauty to your outdoor space. Number 3. United Frames and Products Ridge Rail Planter. The United Frames and Products Ridge Rail Planters are made with high-quality plastic that's frost and UV resistant. These polypropylene planters span 22.8 inches in length, are available in 4 colors: white, walnut, charcoal, and mushroom, and come in a set of 2. With their minimalist styling, they can complement many types of home decor. Easy to install and remove, the modular ridge rail planters feature a bottom cutout that securely fits round and flat railings, and fences up to 2.75 inches wide. The lightweight planters can also be zip-tied in place for extra security. Number 2. Apollo Railing Planter. More than 1425-star reviews praise the Apollo Railing Planter for its portability. These brilliant flexible railing planters will add beauty to your deck and railings. They can be easily installed on timber, plastic, or metal railings, as well as chain-link fences. The setup process is very simple. After you have locked the support arm to the proper width and hung it, the planter is good to go. These railing planters don't require any tools to be mounted. The planter is kept level by a hidden bottom bracket. With a 1-inch spillage, excess water rests in the bottom storage. They are manufactured in Italy using UV-protected resin. Number 1. Emsco Group Rail Planter. The Emsco Bloomers Rail Planter is composed of long-lasting, weather-resistant resin. It can withstand both extreme summer and winter conditions. This planter can fit railings that are 1.25 inches or 3.875 inches wide. Due to the unique design, it can fit almost twice as many plants as a regular railing planter. Another great feature of this planter is that it has drainage holes. You don't have to be concerned about water collecting in the bottom of the planter, drowning your plants. It features drainage holes on the base to assist in the drainage of water and the delivery of oxygen to the plant roots.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.